In this video, we review the REDTIGER Dashcam, a popular choice for documenting your driving experiences. We'll explore both its strengths and weaknesses to help you determine if it's the right fit for you. The REDTIGER Dashcam boasts impressive video quality, featuring a 4K front camera and 2.5K rear camera. These provide clear details, which are vital during incidents, with night vision enhancing low-light visibility. Its 170 degrees wide-angle lens covers a broad field of view, reducing blind spots. This is especially beneficial in congested traffic, ensuring a comprehensive capture of your surroundings. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS offer seamless video transfers to your smartphone and accurate location data, adding valuable context to your recordings and simplifying file management. A 3.16 IPS screen enhances user experience with its brightness and responsiveness, making navigating settings and playback easy, even for those less tech-savvy. The 24-hour parking mode adds an extra layer of security, monitoring your vehicle while parked, thus providing peace of mind against possible incidents during idle hours. A 32 GB memory card is included, allowing immediate recording without needing additional purchases, a convenient feature for those eager to start using the dashcam right away. However, some might find the camera bulkier than expected, potentially obstructing visibility. The adhesive mount requires careful handling to ensure proper installation and stability. While Wi-Fi is a great feature, some users report occasional app connectivity issues, affecting video transfers and settings adjustments, which might be frustrating for some. In conclusion, the REDTIGER Dashcam offers excellent video quality and useful features, making it a solid choice despite minor connectivity and usability challenges. It's ideal for those prioritizing road safety and documentation.